They don't always happen when you ask. And it's easy to give in to your fears. But when you're blinded by your pain, can't see your way clear through the rain. And small but still resilient voice says help is very near. There can be miracle when you believe. Though hope is frail, it's hard to keep. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe somehow you will. You will.